everyone, I'm Noah and this is Asia and we are the owners of Level Up CSL Online Chinese School. Now we have a few questions for you. Would you like to improve your children's future?
Would you like to open them up to a world of new opportunities?
Would you like to help them acquire an important tool that will give them a serious advantage in the future?
If you do, we are here to present to you the perfect solution and we would like to show you how we do it.
Hello, my name is Ardana Sumit and I'm learning in Level Up CSL. I chose to learn Level Up CSL because it's a very professional and good company to learn Chinese in. I'm learning Chinese because it's turning into an international language and it's always helpful to know another language.
我
Okay, I am. Is 是
ש
是
יש לי מורה ממש נחמדה. היא מתאימה את כל שיעור לרמת סינית שלי. בשיעור אנחנו מדברות, קוראות סיפורים, לומדות מילים חדשות וכותבות משפטים. והשיעור עובר ממש בכיף. אני מרגישה שזה ממש עוזר לי לתרגל את הסינית.
First, it will be ma.
מה
Ma.
מה
'It's like a question, okay? Ma.
מה
And third one, you nod your head. Ma.
מה
马
מה
Okay, good. Okay, last one. Ma.
嘛
Ma.
嘛
欢迎来到 Level Up CSL 网上学校。
Our school's belief is that with the right guidance, right method and right environment, you can achieve anything you want.
We are welcoming you, dear parents, to join our international family and don't hesitate, sign up right now and let's level up your children's game right now.